Welcome to MimioStudioRecorder. Select the paintbrush and pencil. Choose Recorder. Choose Tools, Settings, and make sure it's an MP4 format. Choose the drop-down area and select Record Area or Record Desktop. You are now ready to record. If recording desktop, you are able to open any other program, PDF, image, document camera, and it will be captured. To pause or end your recording, select the camera icon on the dock. This will automatically pause the recording. You are able to continue or stop. You can then play and preview the recording that you just completed. When you have finished watching, X out. It will then prompt you to save your recording. Choose where you would like to save your video, and then it will be ready to upload to whichever platform you are deciding to share it with.